Good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon. I don't know what I should say to everybody. So I'm very glad to be here today. And so I'm Kevin. I'm coming from France. I'm an IT expert. I've got a diploma in IT a couple of years ago now. And from the beginning, I'm starting to work, I started to see some issue of IT. I didn't really understand at the beginning what was about. I didn't really make the link with the environment, but very, very quickly, I wanted to understand more what is the hidden face of the IT. And about 6 years ago now, I specialized myself in IT sustainability to support company and town hall, all the community to work on this topic of sustainable IT and see what we can do better together. For me, the most important thing about this topic is to really to try to continue to do technology, to use technology. We talked about AI in the first panel. AI is one of the technologies that we can use for the climate, for everything. But it is important to remind that all this technology is taking a lot of rare resources. So from rare metals, rare earths, and it's creating lots of gas emission gas from carbon. And so we had a study saying a few years ago saying that 4% of the gas emission in the world are based on the of Internet of the IT. And this percentage is going higher and higher every year. So it's something that we really need to take in consideration, that the IT, the technology can help us to optimize a lot of systems, but it's maybe also part of the problem, creating more gas emission. The most important part of the impact is based on the fabrication, on the production of equipments. So the best thing we can do right now is to do more IT services with less equipment. When I'm talking about equipment, I'm talking about servers, about laptops, about normal computers, like IoT, IoT, yeah, Internet Object Connected. And so it's all the equipment that we can provide more services with less equipment, because the most impact is based on the production of these equipments. There are definitely lack of information and knowledge. And this is why I'm doing a lot of awareness around the people. And the first question that I'm coming from these people, definitely, but yes, but what can I do from my side? Because I'm not an IT person, I'm not a technician, I'm not working in IT. So what can I do? And as I said, that the first thing is about equipment. So as individual, we can take care of our equipment. We can fight against planned obsolescence. We can extend the lifespan of the equipment. So there are things that we can do, which is quite a long-term action, but this is something that we can do. The other thing is that you can also do like little things, that's cleaning your files, cleaning your data. So it will not have a big impact, but it will be a first step to understand that by doing this, you are doing something small, something about digital IT. And this is also why we started 4 years ago, the Digital Cleanup Day that will happen next week. Digital Cleanup Day is a worldwide program that I started in 2020 about cleaning your data, about giving a second life of your equipment by reusing it or by recycling it. So if you want to act from now, you can participate to the Digital Cleanup Day from next week. I don't know if AI is going too fast or not. As Riyad said, it's going for long, and we're going with this. What is important to know and to say is that AI is consuming lots of energy and is producing also lots of CO2. So it's important to make a good use of the AI. And the main problem we can have is the misuse of AI going worst. Because AI, as I said, is consuming lots of energy, consuming lots of equipment, consuming lots of rare metal, rare earths, and it's also we may have some stage. We are talking about petrol, but it's also about copper shortage of resources. So if tomorrow we have this shortage of resources, we don't have any resources anymore to build any more equipment, and we don't have AI anymore. So we really to be careful about the use of AI and to make sure that the AI is built responsibly with eco-conception. And the last thing that I wanted to say, because when we are talking about sustainability, and we did it during this panel, we're talking most likely and most of the time about environment. But don't forget that when we talk about IT and sustainability, we have also a big digital divide in the world. We have some countries who have plenty of IT, plenty of infrastructure connected to internet, benefiting of all this connection. And we have countries who have low connection, who have low infrastructure, and they don't have access to internet or poor access to internet. And this is something that also need to be taken in consideration, that in this digital divide, make sure that not some countries have all the technology and some other countries don't have any technology.